Welcome here for Punch Out Boxing. Delighted to be here with the Big Bang himself, Zhilei Zhang. Zhilei, welcome to London. Looking forward to this, what could be the most exciting heavyweight fight of the year.
欢迎来到伦敦啊！这将可能会是今年最激动人心的一场中量级比赛了吧？
应该是这是今年到目前为止，然后应该周六的比赛是今年为止最精彩的比赛。
Yeah, it should be. It should be the best fight ever happened this year.
Tell me, how frustrated were you with the decision that went against you in the Hergovich fight? And is that just the politics that you expect in boxing now?
跟 Hergovich 打完，对这个判的满意吗？
那这个结果不是我们整个团队想要的结果，也不是我想要的结果，我想可能也不是全民想要的结果。然后但是这场比赛已经过去了，我们已经把它忘记了，然后我们要着眼放在未来。
No, I was not happy with it to begin with, but we moved on. You know, that was history. We cannot live in the past. We have bigger things to do right now.
And tell us, how did this fight come about? Did Joyce's team approach you? What was the circumstances? And was there any hesitation in accepting the fight?
这场比赛是怎么酿成的呢？是他们找的你，还是最后怎么着的呢？然后你犹豫了吗？
就是他们找到我们团队，然后说愿不愿意我们两个打一场，我当时毫不犹豫，然后 OK 可以打。
His team found my team, and I didn't hesitate for 1 second. I said yes.
That's what we love to hear from a big heavyweight. So on to the fight. Joe Joyce, he's got a reputation for a rock solid chin. Zhilei's got a great left hand. Is he confident that he can break that chin at last?
他的下巴硬，但是你的拳也硬。你觉得你能击出他下巴吗？
那就我们到周六，然后赛场见。
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see Saturday night.
In the past, some fights, Zhilei has shown some stamina issues. Are those resolved? And is he confident that he can, if need be, go the distance? As Joe Joyce, he does tend to get stronger as the rounds go on.
以前的比赛中可能有耐力的问题、身体的问题，解决了吗？这个比赛准备好要打满全场了吗？
以前的那些缺点呢，那些耐力的问题啊，身体的问题，现在完全解决掉了。
Weaknesses are done, mistakes are done, no more mistakes, and everything looking good right now.
And at nearly 40 years of age, does he really need to get a move on and make it count this time round? And how does he feel at 40? Incidentally, I'm in my 40s as well, so rocking for the 40-year-old.
现在在这个岁数，你感觉怎么样？整个人的精神状态怎么样？职业生涯到哪个部分呢？
现在这个岁数到我感觉现在是我的巅峰期，因为是年龄在我面前只是个数字问题，然后只要我保持好系统的训练、系统的饮食，然后系统的生活规律，然后 OK， 然后年龄不是问题。
I feel like I'm still in my prime right now. Being at this age is just a number for me. You have to eat well, you have to sleep well, train well, and live a disciplined life. Everything else just numbers.
Absolutely, that's what I tell all these youngsters. And how excited is he about the prospects of making history, being the first Asian heavyweight champion of the world?
你这一场比赛要拿下来，就成为第一个亚洲的重量级拳王。觉得心情怎么样？
这个心情当然非常好，也是中国历史上第一位重量级的拳王，当然这是我非常渴望的。然后，但是我们还要看周六的比赛。
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. I'm been first in China and first in Asia, so let's see what happens Saturday.
And become champion is the dream to defend at the Bird's Nest in Beijing.
想要在鸟巢接下来再干一场吗？
Yeah， 我希望在鸟巢可以和强者对抗，然后也是我们会朝着这个方向去和他们去谈判。
Yeah, I'm hoping to get somebody that want to fight me, some top guys back in the Bird Nest. We'll see what happens.
I hope he does, because I'd love a trip to China.
Yeah, 欢迎来到中国。
Welcome to China.
Thank you very much. Zhilei, good luck for Saturday night. We look forward to a great fight.
Thank you.